Yo, what is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. You join me here on this wonderful warm autumn day here in some small town in America. I'm not even sure where I am. However, they've got some incredible Broncos for sale. They've got square body stuff. There's some Ford pickup trucks. Spin this around, short video, but I want to share this with you. Check out some of this as well. This pickup truck is kind of cool. Love this F250. Might even be a four-wheel drive, I'm guessing, being lifted like this. But that is awesome. Look at the Bronco in here as well. This isn't something you see very often. I would absolutely love to own a Bronco. Like, I don't even think you understand how much. That's awesome. That's real cool. And then right in here, well, I can see there's actually a Subaru in there. Unexpected, but this Lincoln, this Continental, really cool. A lot of very cool stuff in this place. Look at that, on Cali plates, not Oregon plates. Actually, I've seen the colors not to make. Shit, that square body's beautiful. So there we go. That's literally a very short video. Quick little look around this lot. Amazing stuff on there. I would honestly love to own it and bring it back home to the UK. But I just wanted to share it all with you. See you soon.